Welcome to Courtline Media, where every case has a story and every verdict changes lives. Let's step inside the courtroom.
We'll come back later.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing on this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. Put in
For what?
the jurisdiction hearing. Put in a motion for dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it was.
Did you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It said they filed it or at some time.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed a motion. We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, Your Honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And then it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that your counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. Like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October. Talk to
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after that.
Say it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing. He said it would be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it. Thank you. Send it to you. So what has happened is. Thank you. Sir, in the
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jonathan Sachs for Mr. Safety. Ask you to introduce yourself. Boss Safety, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
We are here for a negotiated guilty plea.
All right, I have a plea form before me indicates that the defendant will be guilty to the charge of larceny by false pretenses under 200, 93-day offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. There is also the agreement that the prosecutor will recommend or is okay with the highest sentence, and restitution is agreed at $500.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, the sentencing judge waiver box is not checked, but I view that as an oversight, so I'm going to check that box.
That is purely my oversight, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear in the following testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Boss Safety.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the offense of larceny by false pretenses under $200.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days of jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property, which is the subject matter of the false pretenses. If that's greater than $500, that becomes the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge in this matter, and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court.
Yes,
You
Your Honor.
understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and to that charge, how do you plead? How do you plead?
What do you?
Guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty.
Yeah, right. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, Your Honor.
of your own free will
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
March 16, 2025, at the location of 516 East Liberty Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you do regarding, or what'd you do that makes you think that you're guilty? Let's do that.
I used the card that was not mine to pay for the parking structure.
To do what?
To pay for the parking structure.
Okay. So the card was not yours?
Yes. Without
You didn't have the owner or device holder's permission to use it?
No, I just did.
And you did not inform wherever you were using it that you didn't have permission,
No.
right? And because of your use, you obtained goods or services?
No.
You didn't get anything?
No.
What happened?
Your Honor, it was rejected, but he still used the financial transaction.
Got it. Okay, but he didn't get anything from it.
No.
Okay, then I'd have to certainly take it as to the higher charge, which is actually the use, because there was no value done. Okay. Sir, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that between the time of my acceptance of your plea and your time of your sentencing, that if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, that number one, the court would not be bound by any evaluation and or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2, particularly under the higher offense version. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be January 30th, 2026, 8:30 before Judge Perry.
Your Honor, is there any chance of another date? I'm looking forward to being right here on January 30th at 9 a.m.
Oh, I'm sure there's, another day. I don't have it. So what you can do is I have to give you this date. You can contact 15th. They'll be more than happy, I'm sure, to accommodate another date for you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. The court, for its part, also does not believe there's a conflict other than Michigan court rules. So the case is decided thereunder to the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. Court does call the case of the people versus Jason, is it Elk? It's you. Oh, come on up. Who's your attorney? Mr. Goldman. He stepped out? All right, well, I'll pass it. Okay. Court does call the case of people versus Reginald Sims.
They also stepped out.
Good morning. Okay, so I'll pass that one too. Third time's a charm. Court calls the case people versus Chanel Griffin. And mispaid